What's up guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson and today I'm going to show you how I make money by doing the Amazon Influencer Program. So we are inside my bathroom. I'm going to review as many products as humanly possible in the next 20 minutes. I'm going to show you how easy and simple this is and how everyone can replicate this same exact process. So let's get into doing reviews and I will break it down for you guys. And let's start with the first one. So literally we've got just a drawer full of items. So we've got deodorant, we've got toothpaste, we've got a nose trimmer, we've got a razor, we've got fingernail clippers, we've got flossers. Like we literally have it all. And what people don't realize is those are products that you can review. You can review literally anything as long as it's sold on Amazon. So I'm gonna go through and crank it out. People are like, oh, well, you have so many videos and it's so hard, and it's really not. And I'm gonna show you how simple it is. I can do probably, we'll say, one video per 2 minutes. So in the next 20 minutes, I should be able to do at least 10 videos, if not more. So let's get into it. And to show you how truly simple this process is, this is exactly what I do. I set my phone up on a tripod and I just grab product after product, hit the record button, talk about it for 60 seconds and hit stop. Then I grab another product. And I do this over and over and over. I get a backlog of videos. And then once I have a backlog of videos that I've filmed, I sit down, turn on the TV, I relax, and I upload these videos to my storefront, tag the products, and that is my entire process of filming the review videos and then uploading them. It doesn't need to be as complicated as you would think. We got 15 reviews done in 20 minutes, and then it took us another 20 minutes to upload and tag the products. So a total of 40 minutes of work. We got 15 reviews done, and just like that, I'm going to be making money every single month like it's clockwork, because once you do the work and you upload them, then they stay on Amazon's platform and you continue to make money month after month. And so it's awesome because, again, you are not uploading these to social media and hoping that they go viral. Instead, you're taking Amazon's existing traffic, and when somebody clicks on the listing, they watch your video, and then they buy the product, you get a commission. Again, this is the same exact process that I've been doing, and just this last month, I made $4,500 profit, and that doesn't include the brand deals and the free product that I'm getting sent to me every single day. I've never seen something so easy and so simple, and that's why I wanted to just make this video and break it down, show you guys the process of, look, I'm reviewing just everyday products that you already own. Everybody has deodorant, everybody has lotion, everybody has toothpaste, everybody has these things. And so you can literally just review them. So as long as it's sold on Amazon, you can review the product. Another thing that I want to talk about is a lot of people get worried about when they hear the term Amazon influencer and they immediately think, oh, well, this isn't applicable to me. I can't join the program because I'm not an influencer. Well, that is not true. The Amazon influencers that are cashing in every single month are normal, everyday people just like you and me. They're not your Kim Kardashians. They're not your typical influencers that you are following on social media. They're just everyday normal people. So for you, that's great news. You do not need to be stressed about the term influencer. The second part is people are like, well, you need 10,000 followers in order to get this account approved. And that's not true whatsoever. You do not need to have 10,000 followers. I've seen some videos on YouTube where people say that. I'm like, that's BS. That is not true, because I know people that have gotten approved with less than 1,000 followers. And we have a complete process where we have helped close to 200 people get approved. And that is not a requirement, nor do you need to have tens of thousands of comments and likes, okay? Yes, there are certain things that Amazon is looking at, but 10,000, I don't know where people got that number. That is not true whatsoever. So just some pro tips for you guys when it comes to the application process. Go to Google, type in Amazon Influencer Program, and you can sign up. There's two parts. Like I mentioned, there's the social eligibility. You do not need to have tens of thousands of followers. Again, we've seen people get approved with as little as 1,000. And then from there, you have to actually get what's called on-site placement. And this is where people just completely fail and they don't have the videos that Amazon is looking for. And then if you don't get approved for that, you can't make money. So the sign up part is the most important. It is the most difficult, but at the same time, it's not that complicated. And if you guys need help, We have some resources down below. We have case studies where we show how we have helped our students through the entire process. And it's just mind-blowing how good of an opportunity it is. So again, like I mentioned, just this last month, I made $4,500 profit. My brother has done over $5,000. We have people that have quit their 9-to-5 job thanks to this program. They're already making more money than we are. We have students that are making $3,000 to $4,000 per month and taking those profits and rolling it over into additional revenue streams such as Amazon FBA. For those that don't know, that's what I've been doing for the last 7 years, is selling products on Amazon. And that's one of the biggest caveats for people to start an Amazon FBA business. It's still a fantastic opportunity, but you do need to have some capital. And in order to get capital, you need to either save money or you need to make more money. And this is a fantastic way to make more money. You can't save your way to freedom. I'm just gonna break that to you just loud and clear. You have to find additional way to make more money. Then you take that money and then you put it elsewhere to make more money. And so this opportunity is, I've literally never seen something so good. And you guys need to take advantage of it like ASAP and don't waste any time and jump on it while it's here, because it's truly the only business that you can get up off the ground and running with zero capital. Having an account is $0, where most accounts and most, like for example, Shopify dropshipping, you still have to have a $40 per month account. Then you still have to buy advertising. The same thing with Amazon FBA. It costs $40 per month just to have an Amazon seller account. All these other things, you have to have money in order to get it going. This one you do not. And we see people making money as quick as a couple days of unlocking their account. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this just gave you an insight of how simple these review videos are. I literally take my phone and I film them and I upload them. Literally 15 in 40 minutes. If I did that every single day for 30 days, like you would have a massive backlog of videos, and then you could literally just put it on park and just forget about it, and you would be making money passively. And this is 100% passive. If you literally just stop filming, you would seriously continue to make money every single day. So the Amazon Influencer Program is no joke. It is a great opportunity. And again, for everybody watching, you need to take advantage of it ASAP. And if you guys want help or if you need more guidance, click the link down below. We have case studies showing results and how we can get your Amazon Influencer account approved. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below your thoughts if you guys like this kind of video and what you want to see in the future. But your support means the world, and we will see you in the next one.